Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to do this Spotify glass folder effect under 5 minutes. I will put all the assets to follow along with the tutorial in the description. So without losing any time, let's dive straight into it. Now what you're gonna need to do is to import the two faces of the folder. So again, you will find them in the description with all the other assets. Then we're gonna turn these two layers in 3D and move the anchor point at the bottom. Once this is done, we're gonna add the CC light sweep effect on both faces. Just copy paste my settings and you will be good. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna duplicate each face and tweak the CC light sweep effect a bit. We're gonna use these settings. Okay, let's move on to the next step, which is adding nulls. We're gonna create 3 of these, one for the front face, one for the back face, and one for the folder. So now I'm just gonna parent the 2 front faces to the front null, parent the 2 back faces to the back null, and parent the 2 nulls front and back to the folder null. And of course everything needs to be 3D. So now if I try to turn the folder in any side, it's working properly. Okay, now what we're gonna do is add the blur effect on the front face. So for this, I'm gonna add 2 more faces and I'm gonna rename each of these to make it more clear. So on the front face 1 and front face 2, we're gonna remove the CC light sweep effect. Then we're gonna add the Gaussian blur on the front face 2. You can put 150 here. After this, we're gonna use the front face 1 as mate for the front face 2. And we're gonna click this icon here. Now from here you can import your covers between the 2 faces and scale them down. Again, don't forget to turn these layers as 3D, and I'm gonna parent these 2 faces to the top one and the top one to the folder null. Now that this is done, the only thing remaining is animating the folder and the covers. So let's do it. Okay, so I'm gonna keyframe the position and the rotation on the y-axis. I'm gonna put a keyframe at 3 seconds here, and I'm gonna make the folder closer by putting -600, and here in the Y position I'm gonna put +30. Then I'm gonna animate the opening of the 2 faces, so I'm gonna press R and hit the X rotation here, add another keyframe here. For the front face I'm gonna put +20, and for the back face I'm gonna put -20. And we have an issue, which is that I forgot to move the anchor point of the nulls to the bottom, so I'm gonna cancel the rotation. I'm gonna go at the beginning, select the 2 nulls front and back, and move the anchor point at the bottom of the folder. Now we can go back to animating the X rotation. So I'm gonna put 20 on the front face and -20 on the back face. Okay, now it's working properly. Okay, now what we're gonna do is animate the cover. So I'm gonna animate the scale and the position on the top one. I'm gonna put another keyframe here and make it bigger, and also make it go out of the folder like this. From there I'm gonna animate the position and the Z rotation on these 2 covers. I'm gonna add another keyframe here, and I'm gonna put 30 for the rotation, and then adjust the position to my liking. I want this corner to be aligned with this one, and I'm gonna do the same for the other cover. And now we're gonna add the drop shadow effect on the first cover, the one on the top. So just copy paste my settings. By the way, all the visual elements you are seeing in this video are part of my video branding kit. Basically, it's an After Effects kit with ready to use motion design templates such as intros, cards, low effort, list animations, titles animation, and much more. You can customize everything under seconds: text, icons, and color setups. It's perfect to edit courses, videos, YouTube videos, educational videos. So if you're interested into it, I will put the link in the description. Okay, let's go back to the tutorial. So now guys, if we play the animation, you can see that it works, but it's not smooth as we want it. So to fix this, I'm gonna select all the keyframe. I'm gonna press F9 on my keyboard, go to the graph editor, and I'm gonna make a curve like this. So now if we play the animation, you can see that it looks better. Now the only thing remaining is to copy paste these keyframes here, and then you can right click, keyframe assistant, and time reverse keyframe. Okay guys, now the animation is ready, but I want to make it a bit better by adding a background. So I'm gonna put this one. You can find it in the description with the other assets. And I think that we can also add a logo here and the Spotify name here. So I'm gonna add the Spotify logo first. I'm gonna scale it down. Okay, like this it seems good. I'm gonna add a Spotify text. I'm gonna turn these 2 layers to 3D and parent them to the front folder null. And that's it guys, our animation is complete. Alright guys, that's it for the tutorial. If you enjoyed it, like and subscribe. I share weekly tips to help editors work smarter, not harder. Cheers!